This is my family.
Itsura, solve ka na naman. Nag-spaghetti muna siya, tapos sabay, kay mama. Sa akin naman dumede. Ayos yan, solve na naman, Ang ganda ng sunshine. Good morning, guys. Minsan lang mangyari sa buhay namin na makakita ng sunrise. Assistant ka ba ni Papa mo dyan? Help mo si Papa? For breakfast namin, nag-order lang ako ng Jollibee. Everything beef. So, ito corned beef and burger steak. Tapos sa kanila yung tapa na, tapsilog. Kasi yun na gusto nila. Miss ko kumain ito ng uminom. Nakakamiss uminom ng hot choco. Siguro last time na uminom ako hot choco, mahigit 1 taon na yung nakalipas. Can I raid your Kikay kit?
Yes.
Do you know it's called Kikay kit, the makeup kit? Do you know? Are you familiar with that? Kikay kit. We call it Kikay kit. Yeah.
So that's what they call it.
Yeah. But you understand your mom kasi guys, kinakausap siya ng mama niya in Tagalog.
Yeah. Basically.
Yeah.
And then my response is in either English or broken Tagalog. So I'll try.
Let's see what's in her Kikay kit. Ooh, you have knitted. Is this knitted? Knitted 3. Let's see. Wow, I like the shade.
You can try swatching them, or even if you have your own brush.
I don't know if we have Makeup Revolution here. Is this good?
To be honest, it depends. The powders are good. Powders. But if you want to get concealers or cream foundations, I wouldn't recommend it. It's not good for your skin.
Really?
Yeah, so try to test it. They make knockoffs of the Naked palettes as well. Their shades are very similar to the Naked palette. It's good. It's pigmented. It's cheap and it's good.
You have ColourPop. Did you order this online?
No. We have stores in Bahrain that sell.
Oh, really?
But the trick or the catch is that they're more expensive.
Okay.
That's why they sell it much more pricier than what it really is.
And then it's much better if you order online.
Yeah.
Because it's much
I
cheaper.
highly prefer.
You have the complete makeup set here. This is not a Kikay kit. You see, usually, usually it's only for the essentials, the Kikay kit one.
This is my whole collection.
I have this one. The bronzers are good.
I
This
love
one, yeah. And the highlight.
That palette is so good. And then I catch them without the glow kit. It's very, very nice. And also, looking at palettes, I have the Morphe. Morphe, I don't know how to pronounce this.
Morphe.
Morphe. But my favorite color broke.
I have this one.
Yes, I'm very upset. To replace it.
What do you call this one?
I don't know. It's
I have the 350, I
I think
think.
it's 12. I think it's the
They have boring names for their
12.
palettes.
And it's all numbers. That's why I could never memorize.
You have long lashes. Why do you use false eyelashes?
I don't have long lashes.
You do.
I have my mom's eyelashes, so my lashes are very Filipino. So when I put mascara, it never curls, so I always need my eye curler and the volumizing mascara. And then if I'm really in the mood, that's when these guys.
What did you use for your eyebrows?
Usually I go between.
No, right now. What are you using right now?
Right now I have powder. I use brown.
Can you give me some of your kilay? Because I don't. We call that kilay if you're
Yeah,
not.
I know
If you don't
kilay.
want. Yeah, kilay.
A lot of girls I notice, even not necessarily in Bahrain, a lot of women always go overboard with eyebrows. I learned this even the hard because I have thick eyebrows and I went I had really big eyebrows.
Why? That's in right now. You know, the bushy and the
Yeah, but here's the thing. I personally, for everyday, like to use powder.
powder.
Yeah, like what I have on now is just powder.
You don't use wax
No,
or
but if I have an occasion or I'm going out with my friends at night, this is what I use. The Browsings from Benefit.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
Browsings.
It has wax and it has a setting powder, which is really good. So even if you put the wax, it's not too waxy. You can blend it out with the powder. This works, I think, if you have eyebrows that don't have shape. It's hard to give it shape. You can use the Browsings. I highly recommend. Because I did also mascara. It's either powder or the Browsings.
Oh, ayan, may tips na kayo from Batum.
But I'm not a pro. This is just personal experience. Disclaimer. So if it goes wrong, don't kill me.
Thank you. Super sarap. Nahinto na naman ako, tita. Pag may time lang, parang ganun. Yeah. Ano na ako? At least nagbeta na ako. Na-stuck ako ng 2 years. Na-stuck ako. Si tita natapos na yung T25. Tita, hanggang gano'n ka ba?
Oo, ganyan
Oh,
pa. Talagang
galing.
effective.
Tita, ang sarap ng kaldereta ng tita ko. Sobra. Ayan si Tita Nelia. Best kaldereta. Siya nagluto na. Ako kaya nagsabi si Tita, sabihin mo kayo, Tita Nelia, yung kaldereta niya.
Kaya lang.
Hmm.
Wala akong... Late na kayo nagsabi kayo.
Oo nga eh. Okay lang. Ako okay itong kaldereta. May batang gustong makipaghabol. Ay, gusto mo lumusot dito. Wait. No, Joe. No. Inggit to, inggit. Oo. Uploaded na yung Watson's Haul. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, panoorin nyo na guys. Nasa main channel na kakain pala kami ni Papa. Sorry love napatagal. Nilista ko kasi lahat ng prices, lahat ng details. Yun lang naman ang mahirap pagka kunwari after editing yun, kailangan yung details nasa description box. So, let's eat. Kanina hindi ako masyado kumain parang sumubo lang ako. Yung kaldereta. Parang tira-tira na lang to. Yung kainin natin, tira-tira na lang. Ito pa, tira-tira na lang. We're home! Kinakabahan si Jaya kahapon pa. Sabi niyo, mama, yung halaman ko. Lalong dumami. Kaya mo nun? Oh, lalong dumami. Ano to? Ano tong halaman mo?
Mag-germinate yan.
Ano to? Pechay. Ito.
kamatis.
Pero hindi mo sa mapapatubong malaki. Mabilis na sila mag-sprout. Mabilis lang yan. Pero yung palala na kaya mo, yung mahirap.
Pag malaki na, ayan, kagaya na, tingnan mo yung unang tumubo. Deads na.
Hindi yan yung una. Ito yung una. So,
Huwag mo na kasi ilagay doon sa, pag nadaganan siya, kawawa naman eh. Wow! napakasipag naman ng baby ko. Ay, binatakan. Ay. Sana di ko na lang pinansin. Ay, no! Kanina gumawa ko ng poll sa page tungkol dun sa meet and greet sa Davao. Thank you sa lahat ng nagsuggest ng mga venue kasi gusto ko talaga libre, guys. Pero pinag-iisipan ko rin, parang kinoconsider ko rin yung possibility na pwedeng may bayad yung venue, kaso limited lang yung tao. So, until now, undecided pa rin ako. Pero, based dun sa poll, ang pinakamaraming votes is People's Park. Yun. Pero, ewan ko ha, hindi ko pa sure. Pero guys, thank you sa lahat ng mga suggestions nyo. Kasi may mga tanong din ako kasi mamaya pag sa mall, syempre baka sitahin tayo ng guard, palayasin tayo doon, pag nagkumpulan, kasi diba minsan bawal. Madalas, bawal yun. Okay, anyway, babalitaan ko na lang kayo guys. Siguro ang gagawin ko yung RSVP na lang sa Google Forms para alam ko kung sino yung talagang pupunta. So, doon ko na lang sasabihin kung sino yung nag-RSVP, yun na lang yung sasabihan ko kung saan yung exact place. Okay? So, pero within Davao City pa rin naman, hindi siya, pipiliin ko syempre yung majority kung saan yung pinaka-center, yung pinaka-sentro talaga, para malapit sa lahat. So, ayun. Anyway, we're gonna say goodnight, guys. Mag-edit na ako ng vlog. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!